What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, a lot of people stated that we would not see Bitcoin hit a level of 60K. They said that Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, everything is just over. That we're not going to see things flourish. We're not going to be able to make the money that we think we're going to make. And maybe it's those people, I don't know what their plan is, what their agenda is, but maybe it's those people that just don't necessarily hate crypto, but they hate the fact that they missed out, that maybe they were wrong. And maybe they followed some advice out there that said that, cryptocurrency was going to absolutely tank. Now, right now, we're seeing Bitcoin fall from this higher point that it was at, but the insane part is that it did break $60,000. And it did break $60,000 convincingly. And I want to talk about that. I want to go into Bitcoin as a whole and just talk about crypto overall and kind of where the crypto market will go. What can we expect from this? So, guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon. Those links are in the description. Now, don't forget about Margex. If you guys want to trade Bitcoin up to 100x leverage on Margex, feel free to use that platform. I've been having a lot of success. I think I'm up 400% on my Bitcoin trade. It's not a crazy amount, but I am up 400%, and I was able to take my initial investment plus a little bit of profit and still be up 400% from there, which is, again, fantastic. As well as trades in various things like ADA or Solana, and trade 50x to 25x on Pepe and meme coins and stuff like that. So feel free to check out my link for Margex down below. And one more thing, if you want to check out my indicator, the HG Algo indicator that was created by the HGA, they have a fantastic indicator that tells you when a dollar cost average in or dollar cost average out, as well as when we have bullish momentum and bearish momentum. Feel free to check out that link. It should be at the top of the description. But let's talk about Bitcoin. Again, there have been so many doubters of cryptocurrency as a whole, and a lot of people that believe that things are just going to fall and that's going to get down to 10K. I saw a video, a live stream earlier today saying that Bitcoin was going to 10K and everything was going to fall with it, and you're not going to be able to make the money that you want, and it's up here at 60K, it's going to drop again because the market went up and went down and it's going up and it goes down, and then now it's gone up, so it's going to go down again. Understand that we are approaching, well, Bitcoin has been in this bullish market for a while. The bull market has been here. It's just whether we've seen altcoins that have run as well. Bitcoin is getting all the traction, is getting all of the attention and all of the money that's flowing into it. And that's why you're seeing Bitcoin that's flying up here, right? Traditionalists that are investing into it now, they care about the ETFs and seeing that flourish. And as that ETF flourishes, you now have more consistency. And you treat it like it's something that moves slower rather than something that's spiking up like that and spiking back down. We see it move more consistently, and that's what we're going to eventually see as we have more traditionalists that are being a part of this through these ETFs. But anyways, let's look at Bitcoin and the price movement and what has happened today. So currently, we're seeing the price at $60,556.42. So it has broken the $60,000 barrier that a lot of people believe, or some people believe, that wasn't going to happen. It's currently at about 1.2 billion or trillion, sorry, $1.2 trillion market cap with $72.9 billion worth of volume. That's 72.9 billion. Like 72 billion. That's an insane amount. I don't know if you know that, but that is an insane amount of money that has gone into one cryptocurrency for one day. That's insane. You see the volume to market cap ratio of 6.4. Bitcoin's popularity has always been high, even though it has a low volume to market cap ratio, because the holdability to it, right? And that's not really a word, but the hold time for it is absolutely insane because people hold it for a long time, especially now having the ETFs. Now, if we look at where the price has gone, notice that this has had a spike, and you're probably like, well, that can't be right. This must be the price that it's at. Well, no, that is $64,000 that I got up to. Not only 60,000. When I started my live stream earlier today, I stated that it would get above 60,000. It got above 60,000. easily and then broke well above 60,000 up to 64,000. Now, as it got to 64,000, it has retraced down to this level of 59 where it did bounce off of, and now it's at 60,000 again. So is it going to continue to make these highs and continue to push up? There's a possibility that could happen, but we could also see things kind of pull back a little bit, start to kind of mellow out or start to level out there. I feel like that's what you may see with Bitcoin and the entire crypto market. And honestly, we've seen that with things like Jasmy Coin, with Ethereum, with Bitcoin. But Bitcoin, again, has that consistency that's going to come with it in the bullish market. But what are we looking for as investors? You're an investor into Bitcoin. I have a little bit of Bitcoin. Right now, I have about $3,800 worth of Bitcoin. I also have $900 over on Margex. So let's round up and say I have about $5,000 worth of Bitcoin. What am I looking for with Bitcoin? I may be more of an outlier because I'm not looking for crazy success within Bitcoin. I want to see that success, but then those successful transactions and movements end up flowing out of Bitcoin into altcoins. And that's what we typically see. So we're all waiting for that. Once Bitcoin thrives and gets up to a high price point, then you start to see all of that money that now starts to flow into altcoins. So over the next couple of days, I wouldn't be surprised if you see Bitcoin stay kind of flat and you see these altcoins that are now starting to move, whether you're talking about Solana or AVAX or XRP or whatever. You're going to start to see all of those that now have money that's flowing into there for the short-term traders that see not really much movement in a lot of those altcoins, but see a lot of movement in Bitcoin when it comes to, how many dollars, they're making, not by percentage, right? You could put $1 million and gain, $100,000 off of a 10% return within Bitcoin because that it's going to be more consistent. So that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that kind of trickle down effect to the altcoin market. Because if we look at Bitcoin's dominance is up at 53%. I don't know if you guys can see that. But Bitcoin's dominance, let me make this a little bit bigger there. Bitcoin's dominance is at 53.55%. It's increased by 1.3% today. This is not altcoin season. It is currently Bitcoin season, and we saw a lot of money that started to flow into Bitcoin, getting it up to approaching those all-time highs that it has been at. Right? It hasn't been to $60,000 in a matter of 26 months. It hasn't been to $60,000 in a matter of 26 months, over 2 years. I believe that's accurate by saying 2 years because things started falling in November. And you could say that was 2 years and then plus the 2 months. So 26 months, since we've hit $60,000 is insane. And now we're ready for altcoin season, right? We're ready to see that money have a trickle down effect. So let's hope that really is the case. We could see people that become a little bit more kind of scared, right? They have a little bit more fear to put money into the market as it's at kind of the high point. So, but then if you look at a lot of the altcoins, they are not at the high point. A lot of them are not at the high point. You can look at Doge, you can look at ADA, you can look at Shiba Inu and all of the ones that are there, right? Whether they're meme coins or utility coins, you can look at all of those and see that they are not at their all-time highs or even close to it. So it's great to see Bitcoin at $60,000. Great to see Bitcoin hit $64,000 overall. And I can't wait for that altcoin season to happen. So let me know your opinion down below on what has happened here. Are you excited for Bitcoin hitting 64,000? Are you excited for maybe the altcoin season potentially getting started in the next couple of days or week or so? But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out the link down below for Margex if you want to start trading Bitcoin at maybe 100x leverage. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.